Happy Friday, everybody. My name is Stuart Huggins, and I serve as the student minister here at the Wesley Center in Chattanooga. And today is Friday, April Fool's Day. And no, it does not feel like a Friday. I have had a very busy morning, but I have made it, and I am ready for the weekend. So our daily Bible readings for today are Psalm 126, Isaiah 43, 8 through 15, and Philippians 2, 25 through 3, verse 1. And I haven't done a psalm in a few weeks, so that's what I'm going to be hitting today. So this is Psalm 126. When the Lord brought back his exiles to Jerusalem, it was like a dream. We were filled with laughter and we sang for joy. And the other nations said, "What amazing things the Lord has done for them." Yes, the Lord has done amazing things for them. What joy! Restore our fortunes, Lord, as streams renew the desert. Those who plant in tears will harvest the shouts of joy. They weep as they go to plant their seeds, but they will sing as they return with the harvest. So I really want to put focus on those last three verses, 4, 5, and 6. Restore our fortunes, Lord, as streams renew the desert. Those who plant in tears will harvest with shouts of joy. They weep as they go to plant their seeds, but they sing as they return with the harvest. Okay, so I kind of can. There are seasons in our lives when there are things that we really don't know what to do, and we really don't know how to do them, but we know we're being pushed to do these things, and we want to do these things because that's what we're being called to do. But the bottom line is, if we don't know how to do them, what can we do other than just sit there and stare at all the work that needs to be done, but having no clue how to get to work on it? That's kind of what happened to a similar sense in what happened once the Lord brought back exiles to Jerusalem. It was awesome. They knew this is what they needed to do, but they didn't know how to do. They didn't know how they were going to accomplish all these things that needed to be accomplished. Okay, so let's relate it a little more to our personal lives, especially as students. Students, there are times in our lives, especially working towards our degree, we just realize this might not be for us. We might be asking that to ourselves. This might not be for us, but I'm so far into this degree. What do I do? The bottom line is follow your passion. Follow where you know you need to go. And then plant the seeds. And then rejoice in the harvest. Because once you follow where you need to go, I promise you're going to be taken care of at that point. That is all I have for you guys today. I hope you all have a great rest of your day and an awesome weekend and a very restful weekend. That's what I need right now. And I will see you all again on Friday next week. Peace.